Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Astro Money Guru. Welcome all of you today on 10th January 2021. In this episode, I will discuss about my views on Indian stock markets and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. So let us first look at the global cues, the global markets. On the Friday session, Dow Jones was marginally down, and in fact it was flat and was down by only 5 points, and but the Nasdaq was significantly down by around 1%, and S&P 500 was down by around 0.40%. But if we see the FII's data for the Indian stock markets, we can see that on the Friday session, FIIs were net buyers by around 500 crores in cash market. And if we see the January's data till now, then we can see that from the 5 trading days, there was only one trading day in which the FIIs were the net sellers. Rest all 4 days were the FIIs net buyers only in the cash market in Indian markets, which shows that FIIs have turned from net sellers to net buyers in this new year, and especially in month of January. And also we must not forget that from the February, the budget session will be going to start, and all the focus will be on the budget and also the corporate results. This week, Infosys, TCS, Wipro, which are the top 3 IT companies of India, will be going to declare their result this week. Therefore, all the eyes will be on that, especially on the IT sector. And if you see the today's condition of the Infosys, Wipro, and TCS as of now, on at around 12:30 p.m. the Infosys trading at the level of 18,165 and is up by around 2.85% by around 50 rupees. And if we see the TCS is trading at around 38.90 and is up by around 1%. But if we see its today's high, which was at it made high at the level of 39.78, and after making high at the level of 39.78, which was very close to the level of 4,000, which is a very strong support for the TCS. And if we see, this 4,000 support is intact from the September month, that is from the 15th September. The TCS have tried many times to break this resistance, but it didn't able to get it crossed. Therefore, the 4,000 level will be very important for the TCS. But if we see the Wipro's condition at the today's market, then we can see that currently Wipro is trading at around 694, and it made high at the level of 709 in the today's session, and its recent high was at the level of 728, which was on 3rd January 2022, and since then it is showing some bearish move. So on the IT front, for the IT industry, we should keep eye on TCS. It is near to its very strong support of 4,000. As soon it crosses the level of 4,000, we can go for buy in TCS for the short term perspective. And if we see the condition of Nifty is currently trading at around 17,950 and is up by around 141 points. And today it made high at 17,978, which is very close to the very important resistance of Nifty at 17,980. So currently Nifty is trying to break the level of 17,980 and is trying to make new breakouts, but still it is struggling. And as now the markets have entered into the budget rally, and also the corporate results are going to be announced, therefore there will be a very roller coaster ride for especially indices, that is Nifty. And the next move of the Nifty will be dependent on the IT sector's result, and As per our expectations, Nifty is expected to continue with its bullish trend from the current levels, and it is soon expected to cross the level of 17,980 either in the today's session or in the tomorrow's session, and it is expected to reach further highs of 18,100 and 18,200 also in the next few coming trading days. Although the global markets are showing some uncertainty, especially the US market, but the Indian markets are showing strength, and they are expected to continue with its bullish trend. And if we see from last many months, when the US markets were making new all-time highs, but the Indian markets were showing bearish trend, now the scene have been reversed. Now the Indian markets are expected to continue with their bullish bull run, and the global markets, especially the US markets, is expected to experience some uncertainties because of the risks in rise of the interest rates. Also, in the current week, the inflation data will be announced in the UK. Therefore, during the current week, the US inflation data will be announced, so the US markets will react accordingly to the inflation data. And if we remember, in the in the last week, the Fed meeting, during the last week's Fed meeting, there have been indication that the Fed is going to increase the interest rates sooner, which indicates that inflation is not as per the expected range, and it is likely to be upside from the expected range. Rest it will be declared, and rest it will be clear when the actual data came. But for the Indian markets, we need not to worry much. The Indian markets are showing strength, and they have entered into the bull run. And the stocks which you can consider for the next few trading days are Alok Industries. Alok Industries is trading at around 29.90, and it has shown significant breakout in the today's session, and it has crossed a significant very important resistance, which was at the level of 27.90, and you can consider Alok Industries for the next few trading days. Also, you can consider Tata Steel. Tata Steel is currently trading at around 1168.20 and is up by around 0.5%. Tata Steel is expected to show some positive move in the next few coming trading days. And you can consider UPL also. UPL is a leading chemicals and agricultural company, and you can consider it for the budget session also, since in this budget the central government is expected to announce significant good measures for especially for the agriculture sector. Therefore, you can consider UPL, which is trading at around 816 current at present, and is up by around 27 rupees, by around 3.5%. So you can consider these stocks. I am repeating: Tata Steel, UPL, and Alok Industries. These are expected to show significant upward movements in the next few coming trading days. So that's all for the today's episode. See you in the next episode. Thank you and good day.